let us start with lesson 17, use of articles. Articles means you have to use a and the, and they are called adjectives. Adjectives a and the are usually called articles, and they are really called demonstrative adjectives. Why? Because they are used just before nouns. Now, you know that a is used before consonants and an is used before vowels, and the is a definite article. It has a different rule. But now you must know that a is used before consonant sounds and an is used before vowel sounds. See, before that let me tell you that a or an means one. They can never be used before plural. They mean a boy means one boy, an apple means one apple. So they mean one. The is a different thing. It is a definite article. A or an. These are indefinite articles, and they are used only before a singular noun. The can be used before singular noun also, before plural noun also. It has different rule. So first of all, let me explain you a or an. A is used before consonant sounds and an is used before vowel sounds. Now, what are vowels, children? A, E, I, O, U. You know that in English alphabet there are 26 letters. Out of them, these 5 are called vowels. Okay? And the rest 21 are called consonants. They are called consonants. So, a is used before consonant sounds and an is used before vowel sounds. Now, let me explain you how this happens. Now, see, this is vowel. If I give you a blank, dash 1 rupee coin. Now, looking at O, because it is a vowel, you should write an, but a is written and this is correct. Now, what do you mean by vowel sounds? What is the meaning of vowel sounds? You must remember that in your LKG classes, you are taught A for apple, E for egg, I for ink pot, O for orange, U for umbrella. Now, why you are taught in this manner? So that you get the sound of each letter. Each letter. So, A for apple. So, the sound of A is A. E for egg. So, the sound of E is A. I for ink pot. The sound of I is E. O for orange. So, the sound of O is O. And U for umbrella. So, the sound of U is A. Okay, in the same manner, if I say B-O-Y, boy, so the sound of B is B. M-A-N, man, so the sound of M is M. N-E-T, net, so the sound of N is N. L-A-M-P, lamp, so the sound of L is L. Isn't it? So in this way, you have consonant and vowel sounds. Now, remember children, an is used not blindly before vowels. An is used before vowel sounds. So here, when I say 1 rupee coin, this is making the sound of W-O-N-1. This is a vowel sound. So it is not this is a consonant sound. And an is used, should be used before a vowel sound. So here O, though it is a vowel, it is not making a vowel sound. Rather, it is giving you a consonant sound, V. And V is not a vowel sound. So A is used. Here, U is a vowel. And the sound of vowel is for U is A. U for umbrella, A. But here it is giving you the sound of Y-O-U-U. Understood? So, A is written. A unit. Because though it is a vowel, it is giving you the sound of consonant. So, A is mentioned because before consonant sounds, we have to write A. Now, come over here. H-O-N-E-S-T, honest man, dash honest man. Now, here, though the word starts with a consonant, I have written an. And this is also correct. This is also correct. Why? Because here H is silent. Honest man, O. and O is a vowel sound. O for orange. So an is written. A woman. W. Consonant is written and it is giving consonant sound. So A is written. Egg. Consonant starting with vowel and giving a vowel sound. E for egg. A. So it is and written. Umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella starting with U. U for umbrella, making a sound which is a vowel sound, and an is written, so this is also correct. Box. It's a consonant. Okay, giving b sound, and the sound of b is b, and b is a consonant sound, so a is written. So this is also correct. In this way, you have to check the sound. You don't have to write a or an blindly looking at the first letters of the word. You have to find out whether it is making a vowel sound or consonant sound. If the word is starting with a vowel sound, you will write an, and if it is starting with a consonant sound, you will write a. Now let me explain you with the help of the book also. See, I saw a boy riding on an ass. See, here it is written a or an is called the indefinite article because it does not point out any particular or definite person or thing. Now, a is used randomly before any common noun. A boy, a girl, okay, a box, a bag, an umbrella, an egg, anything. But the is called the definite article. Now, what do you mean by definite? Because it is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. This is the boy I saw. When I can say I saw a boy, the boy was wearing a red shirt. Okay. When I say I saw a boy, first time we always use a. But the second time when I am talking about that same boy, I have to use the. So here when we are saying this is the boy I saw, I am talking about that boy whom I have seen. This is the ass I saw. That means I am talking about that ass which I have seen. So in this way, the is a definite article. There are many other rules also of the which I'll explain you later on. Now let me explain you this. As a general rule, a common noun in the singular number must have an article before it. Now remember children, common nouns are never written alone. Common noun in a singular number. A singular common noun is never written without an article. This is a table. Okay, you cannot write this is table. No. This is a table. This is an apple. These are all singular nouns. Singular common noun. So article has to be placed. The apple is on the table. Here I am talking about this particular apple again and this table again. So the and the are mentioned. But a common noun in a singular number does not have an article before it when it is used as a general sense. Suppose, for example, when I say man is mortal, I refer to the entire category of man. In such case, a will not be written. Now, let me explain you more specifically. When we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we generally use the indefinite article. Just now I explained a or an. But when we speak of the same person or thing, a second time we use the definite article the. Now see this example. A man saw a boy riding on an ass. First time. Before common noun, a is used. Second time when I am using, see, I am talking about the same man, so the is used. I am talking about the same boy over here, so again the is used. I am talking about the same ass over here, so the is used. The man punished the boy riding on the ass. Here, these repetitions are about the same animal and person. So the is used in the next instance. Now, another very important thing. Common nouns in the plural number do not have the definite article, the placed before them. such as birds build nests. This means all birds build nests. The is not necessary. Children like sweets. This is general. I'm not talking about a particular group of children. I'm talking about children in general. So the will not be placed. Here I'm talking about not talking about particular birds. I'm talking about general birds. Birds as a general sense, in a general sense. So the will not be used. Here also, bullocks draw carts. Here I am not talking about particular category of bullocks. I am talking about generally about all bullocks. So no article before this. Understood? So plural, common nouns in plural might not have articles, but common noun in singular can never be written without article. But when we speak of particular person or things that we have already mentioned before or that are known to us, we use the definite article the. The children of this house. Now here I am using the before children. Why? Because I am talking about a particular group of children. Do not like the sweets sold in the bazaar. Here I am talking about those sweets which are sold in the bazaar. I am talking about a particular bazaar. Remember? Understood the difference between these two? Here birds, children and bullocks are used in general sense. But here we are talking particular group of children, some particular sweets. So the is used. I hope this part is now clear to you.